Hurry! Get in the car! They're camera shy.
They don't like the engine on.
Here comes one dive bomber.
They don't like the engine on.
They don't like the engine. I don't care.
Like he's like putting them all in his mouth. Is he hungry?
Look at the bird. Now drive. Why didn't he take that one? His stomach's full.
I think he's choking.
He's joking.
Look at that little flower out there. Isn't it pretty? Oh, look at that bird up there.
Oh no.
Oh my God.
They're on the ceiling. They're roof.
That one's thinking about it.
And he's like, maybe
Everywhere.
maybe I should eat it.
He's nervous though.
I'm gonna hear
He's looking. He sees it. He wants it.
Oh, the guy.
All these poor people are gonna get hit. No kidding.
That guy's so timid. Come on, man. I turned the engine off just for
Why
you.
didn't that one come and get it?
I know he swooped over, but he was checking it out. He was a little nervous. This guy's thinking he's coming. Here he comes, Mr. Shy. I think
Are there something on top of our car?
Do they all look the same? No, that one hasn't been on the car yet.
He's afraid, so he's more shy than
What's
the
that
rest.
red thing on his beak? It's like somebody's blood.
Yeah.
Blood.
He's killed before.
Blood. Not funny.
Uh-oh.
I was on the
Oh
roof.
no, I hear them. Oh yeah.
No, put some up here, Jenny.
Here, come
Oh
on.
my God, there's still stuff up there. Jenny, go put some up there.
No,
some
I don't want
crumbs.
to dive.
Don't get out now.
They're circling above us.
Dive bombers.
Oh my God, look, I know.
Look at all my poop everywhere.
And there's the chicken bird still out there.
I'm gonna give him a couple.
Chicken bird.
Oh no. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Whole squadron coming in.
Pelicans! They're pelicans! That's not good.
The squadron.
Go, Jenny, hurry! They're like dive bombers. Put them on the roof! 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 Look at that!
It's all huge and they're all over the car, I swear.
There's one right there! There's one right there!
Your friend got one on the ground.
Okay, good. I want him to get one.
Oh my God! That was hideous! Oh my God! Oh, look at that majestic bird. You're camera shy. It's just like an indication to that woman who's like screaming. Oh, you're right.
Okay, we're getting circled. Maybe we should.
He's getting engaged to her. It's on the cell phone.
Is that what he's doing right now?